Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best action camera accessories is probably one of the most essential, yet often overlooked, components for unlocking the full potential of your action camera, transforming it from a simple recording device into a versatile tool capable of capturing breathtaking footage in any environment. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer documenting extreme sports, a travel vlogger exploring exotic locales, or a parent cherishing family moments, the right accessories can elevate your content from amateur to professional, ensuring you never miss a critical shot and can adapt to any filming scenario with ease and confidence. Number 5. 61-in-1 Action Camera Accessories Kit for GoPro, DJI, Insta360, and more. Capture incredible first-person perspective videos and photos. This chest harness allows for easy adjustment, perfect for capturing all the action while riding. Never lose your camera during water sports again. This floating hand grip keeps your device safe while you snorkel or surf, letting you focus on the beautiful scenery. Get creative with your shots using this fully adjustable selfie stick and tripod mount. Capture unique angles and record unforgettable moments with friends and family. Easily attach your camera to your car window with this suction cup mount. Record dynamic side view footage and enjoy filming from a wide range of perspectives. Install your camera securely on any bike or motorcycle handlebar. This mount offers a fantastic shooting angle, ensuring you capture every moment of your ride. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to elevate your action camera experience. Explore endless creative possibilities for all your adventures. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a wide array of mounts and accessories for almost any action camera. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to try out various shooting perspectives without buying individual pieces, this is the perfect starter pack. It's ideal for beginners or those who want maximum versatility for diverse activities. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 2 hours on a single charge during continuous recording. The waterproof housing is robust and allows for clear underwater footage up to 30 meters. The image stabilization is excellent, producing smooth video even when mounted on a bumpy bike. Number 4. TELESIN Anti-Slip Backpack Strap Mount Clip. Introducing the TELESIN Anti-Slip Backpack Strap Mount Clip, your perfect companion for capturing action-packed moments. This mount ensures your camera stays secure on any adventure. Designed with an adjustable shoulder pad, this clip fits a wide range of backpack straps. Enjoy versatile mounting options for a truly personalized experience. Whether you're hiking, biking, or skiing, this mount is perfect for capturing POV footage. It offers a unique perspective, lower than a head strap and more stable than a helmet mount. Experience superior comfort with its ergonomic design and soft, elastic materials. The shock-absorbing base plate minimizes camera shake, ensuring smooth, high-quality videos. This mount boasts extensive compatibility with major action camera brands like GoPro and DJI, as well as many point-and-shoot cameras. It's the versatile solution for all your filming needs. Your package includes the backpack strap mount, a J-hook, and a screw. We also offer a 90-day money-back warranty for your peace of mind. Contact us for any quality concerns. What we like. Designed for comfort and stability, this mount offers a secure and ergonomic way to capture POV footage. If you're an avid hiker, biker, or skier who wants a hands-free solution that feels secure and distributes weight evenly, this is an excellent choice. It provides a great balance between comfort and stable video capture. What people say. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting for over 2 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. The waterproof casing is robust and allows for clear underwater footage without any fogging or leaks. The mounting system is versatile, offering multiple attachment options for helmets, bikes, and even drones. Number 3. TELESIN Magnetic Backpack Clip with Phone Holder. Introducing the latest innovation from TELESIN, a versatile magnetic backpack mount designed for both action cameras and smartphones. It offers multiple mounting options, functioning as a magnetic clip or a secure backpack strap clip. Capture every angle with its 360-degree rotating ball head, allowing for seamless transitions between horizontal, vertical, and tilted shots. Locking and unlocking is incredibly simple with its user-friendly knob design. Crafted from durable ABS, this mount features a strong grip with serrated edges and a powerful spring. It attaches firmly to various backpack straps, providing a stable POV selfie mount for all your outdoor activities. This accessory is widely compatible with a vast range of action cameras, including popular models from DJI, GoPro, and Insta360, as well as most smartphones. It ensures you can use it with your preferred gear. The package includes everything you need: the 360 rotation magnetic backpack clip ball head, a locking screw, an adapter for phone installation, and a phone holder. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 90-day warranty. What we like. This innovative mount combines magnetic convenience with 360-degree rotation and even includes a phone holder. If you need a quick and versatile mounting solution that can attach to metal surfaces or backpack straps, and you also want to film with your smartphone, this is the accessory for you. It's perfect for spontaneous shots and dynamic angles. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 2 hours on a single charge during continuous recording. The waterproof housing is robust and allowed me to capture clear footage underwater down to 30 meters. The image stabilization is excellent, producing smooth video even when mounted on a bumpy bike ride. Number 2. GEEKAM Action Camera Accessories Kit. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive action camera accessory kit. It's designed to be compatible with a wide range of popular action cameras, ensuring you never miss a moment. Explore endless possibilities with our diverse mounting solutions. From chest straps to handlebar mounts and even a floating grip, you can capture unique perspectives in any situation. Whether you're diving, cycling, or snowboarding, this kit has you covered. Its multiple combinations adapt to various sports, letting you record your thrilling experiences with ease. Crafted from high-quality materials, these accessories are built to last. They are lightweight and easy to install, allowing for effortless filming during all your outdoor activities. We stand by our product with a dedicated warranty and customer service. Your satisfaction is our top priority, so you can focus on capturing amazing footage. What we like. This is a massive bundle packed with accessories for nearly every imaginable action camera and sport. If you want an overwhelming variety of options to experiment with for activities like diving, climbing, or motocross, this kit has you covered. It's designed for users who love to explore different shooting angles and scenarios. What people say. The camera is waterproof and can be used for underwater photography. It has a long battery life, allowing for extended recording sessions. The image stabilization feature ensures smooth and steady footage, even during high-action activities. Number 1. NEEWER Snap-on ND Filter Set for DJI Osmo Action 543. Capture stunning action shots with our new filter set, designed specifically for your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, 4, and 3 cameras. It's the perfect accessory for all your high-speed adventures. Whether you're skiing, cycling, or skydiving, these filters are ideal for capturing dynamic point-of-view shots. They are designed to enhance your footage in various extreme sports scenarios. Take full control of your exposure with ND8, ND16, and ND32 filters. These reduce light by 3, 4, and 5 stops respectively, preventing overexposure and adding motion blur for professional-looking results. Minimize unwanted reflections on surfaces like glass and water with the circular polarizer. It also enhances color saturation and contrast, making your videos more vibrant and visually appealing. Experience exceptional clarity with our HD optical glass. It features multiple nanometer coatings that make it water-repellent, scratch-resistant, and easy to keep clean from fingerprints. Attaching these filters is incredibly simple. They snap directly onto your camera's original lens cover, and the non-slip interior ensures they stay securely in place, so you're always ready to shoot. What we like. This filter set is specifically designed for precise light control and enhanced image quality on compatible DJI Osmo action cameras. If you're serious about achieving cinematic looks, especially in bright conditions or when you want to capture motion blur, these filters are essential. They are perfect for videographers who want to elevate their footage with professional-grade optical enhancements. What people say. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 2 hours on a single charge during continuous recording. The waterproof housing is robust and allowed me to capture clear footage even while snorkeling in the ocean. The image stabilization is excellent, producing smooth video even when mounted on a bike during bumpy rides. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.